Hey everybody, it's Avian Ocean here, and today I will be making a new animal because I was saving up and I finally have 10 diamonds because I have a trick on the daily spins, but I don't want a sound sword. I want an animal jam. So let's go see. So I can get the links. It's so cute. But then I could also get the llama. It's cute too. But then I also want an Arctic wolf. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I really want a lynx, but I'm gonna get an Arctic wolf. So let's name it. Let's just name it something random and then we could rename it later. So goodbye. Okay, so I just got an Arctic wolf and I'm so excited. Okay. So okay. Kind of young, a little tired. Yeah, I mean it's like 12, but I didn't wake up like that early, and I woke up at 9. Okay. I'm gonna see what I want to put on it. Don't really like the studded collars on them. Well, first let's get their look at the So I will be getting one, and my sister will be making one because she is right next to me. And by the way, she will be making her own YouTube. So once she decides what her YouTube will be called, I will totally see what her new videos her videos are. I don't know. Well, I'll get back to you guys once I'm done decorating. Okay, so now I'm done decorating, and I love it. We're finally an Arctic wolf. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You don't even know. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And once my sister gets the channel, I will be telling you what her channel is named in the description. So don't forget to subscribe to her because she deserves it. So yeah, and I'm so excited. So cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.